Good morning, sir.
Let's start the session. So today, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, today we'll cover this one, fiscal month, okay, fiscal quarter, then fiscal year, okay, and static row level security and dynamic low level security. Okay, guys, these are the topics today. Okay, fiscal month, fiscal quarter, fiscal year, how to calculate the DAX. Then we'll go to static row level security and dynamic row level security. Okay. And tomorrow we'll see bookmarks and parameters. Okay. So this will be the last class tomorrow for Power BI. And Monday we'll see that real-time assignment. Okay. So from Tuesday onwards, we'll see SQL classes. Okay. So next week we'll be completing the training. Okay, guys, that is the plan. So let's see this one, fiscal months, fiscal quarter, and fiscal year. Okay. Let's start. I loaded Power BI. I loaded my sheet, auto sheet. Then I will create the calendar column. Okay. Let's go here and create a calendar column. Okay. Calendar auto. So this is my calendar column, date column I created using the calendar auto function. Now I'll use this date column to create fiscal month, fiscal quarter, and fiscal year. Okay. In India, fiscal year starts from when, guys? From April to March, right? So calendar year starts from January to December, but fiscal year starts from April to March. So how to convert calendar year to fiscal year, that we'll see now. Okay. Let's go here. Where is my tax form now? Okay. So we'll add columns here. Okay. Comma. First we'll take year and all we have seen earlier, right, guys? Okay. Date. This is my year. Then month. Okay. This is my month. And next I will take month name. Okay. So what is the month name, guys? We have to use format function. Format. Okay. Date. Comma. Have to use M. Three columns I am populating: year, month, and month name. Let us see the output. Right, we got now. Okay. So these are our columns. Now how to calculate? Let us go to visual and let me close this. Let me increase the font. Okay. Take the table here. Okay. Take the month name and sales. So again, we got same values. That means there is no relationship here. So try to create a relationship here using date and order date. Okay. So now you got the values, but it is in alphabetical order, right? But you want to display in fiscal year months. That means from April to March, you want to display. For that, what we have to do, guys? We have to create the fiscal month first. Then we have to sort this month name with the fiscal month column. Sort by column option is there in Power BI. That will sort month name by fiscal month. Okay. First, let us try to calculate the fiscal month now. Okay. So for that, I will take one calculated column. Month. Okay, guys. So fiscal month is nothing but your calendar month you have to take. Okay. If calendar month is greater than 3, if function will use. Okay. If calendar month is greater than 3, okay. Use here functions. So these are my function. Greater than 3, calendar month minus 3 plus 9. Okay. Calendar month minus 3. Okay. If calendar month is greater than 3, then calendar month minus 3, else calendar month plus 9. So this is my DAX formula to populate the fiscal month. Okay. So our fiscal month, where it starts from April to March, right? So April means, if calendar month April means how much? 4. If 4 is greater than, what we have to do? 4 minus 3. That means 1. So April will become first month in the fiscal month, right? In fiscal calendar, April will become first month. And if it is else, then calendar month plus 9. So always you remember that the sum of these two numbers should be 12. So it depends on the each country. It will depend the fiscal year changes, right? In India, it is April to March. If you go to US, it will be July to June, like that. So according to those months, you have to change these values. Okay. But always remember that sum of these two numbers will be 12. Okay. So this value you have to change depending on when the fiscal year starts. So in India, fiscal year starts from April to March, right? So April means it is greater than, April means 4. It is greater than 3. So you have to take 3. Then if it is greater than 3, minus 3. If it is greater than, if it is less than 3, then plus 9. Okay, guys?
Oh, why is this minus 3 and plus 9?
To convert the calendar year, calendar months to the fiscal months, Ajay. So these are my calendar months,
I mean,
right?
here
This
calendar
column.
month greater than 3 is, I mean, it's greater than 3 in which April.
Greater than 3 is, for example, if you in case of April, if you see, this is April, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, this is April. So April is calendar month is 4, right? If 4 is greater than 3, then calendar month minus 3. That means 1 we will get. So April is 1. We want to display 1 for April, right? For fiscal year. So we have to write the formula like this. Then it will display April as month 1. And if you go to May, May is 5. So greater than 3, right? So 5 minus 3, 2. So fiscal month is 2. Okay. So this is the formula to display the fiscal calendar where it starts from April to March. Okay. So once you got this, then we have to sort by column. Okay. What you want to sort by column? Month name. Month name, it is in alphabetical order, right? April, August, okay, till September. But you want April to March, right? So select the month name, then go to sort by column, then sort by fiscal month. Okay, guys. Now see the output. Now you got April to March. Okay. Let me close this. Yeah. Understood, guys? So this is sort by column also is very important in our practical cases where you can select one column by using the other column. Right now, what I am doing, I am sorting the month name column by fiscal month name. So I will get, so April is 1 in the fiscal month, right? So from April to March, can display the values like this. Okay. So I use the sort by column feature in Power BI. Okay, guys, that is the fiscal month. Okay. Understood fiscal month? Then we'll go to the fiscal quarter column. Fiscal underscore quarter. So for this, what we have to do? We have to take int value of calendar month. Okay. Then we have to add 2 to that and divide this by 3. Okay. Then we'll get the fiscal quarter. So this is my formula. If you see here, I tabulated all formulas here. So int calendar fiscal month plus 2. Okay, guys. So we have to write calculating the fiscal quarter, right? So you have to take the fiscal month, right? Fiscal month. Okay. So you are taking the fiscal month from that column. You are calculating the fiscal quarter. So this is my formula to calculate the fiscal quarter from the fiscal month. So this I want to put QR, concatenate with Q. Okay, guys. I'm calculating the here quarter number, then I'm concatenating with Q so that I will get Q1, Q2 like this. Okay, guys. So for example, if you take a fiscal quarter, if you take March, it is 4. From April, fiscal start quarter first, right? So from April, if you take, this is quarter 1. April, May, June, quarter 1, right? From July, quarter 2. So this is the way to calculate the fiscal quarter. So here, for example, if you take the, in case of April, you take. So what is the April fiscal month, guys? 1, right? So 1 plus 2, how much? 3. 3 by 3, 1. So you'll get the first quarter. Again, you take the example of May. May is the fiscal month, how much, guys? 2, right? So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 by 3, 1. 1 point something you'll get. So if you take integer, you'll get 1. So quarter 1. If you take June, okay, so fiscal month is how much, guys? Again 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 3 means integer 1 only. 1 point you will get. So if you take integer 1. And case of July, if you take, guys, what happens? July fiscal month is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 3, 2. So second quarter. So that is the way of calculating fiscal quarter. Okay, guys. You can remember these formulas and write the DAX. Okay. Then we'll go to the fiscal year. So before telling the fiscal year, I have to tell here that how fiscal year starts. Okay, how you write the fiscal year, guys? Any idea? For example, 2016 March is there. Then how you write the year for that? 2016 March. You will write fiscal financial year 2015-2016, right? Till 2016 March. Okay. And if you write from April, how you write? Fiscal year 2016-2017, right? This is the way of representing fiscal year. For example, 2016 March, you have to display 2016 January, February, March. Then you have to display 2015-2016, right? From April to 2017 March, how you display? This is 2016 April to 2017 March, right? Right, guys? Above one is 2015 April to 2016 March. Okay? So this logic you have to remember while calculating fiscal year. Okay? Let us see how to populate the fiscal year using the DAX. Okay? When the calendar year is calendar month is given to you, then how you display this fiscal year. Okay, let us see that. So you calendar month, this is given to you, then you have to display the fiscal year. Okay, take a new column. Fiscal year, guys. Then I populated a formula here. I'll explain this. I will write and explain. So this is my formula. So calendar month is given to you. Now you are populating the fiscal year. So calendar month is less than 4. That means till March. Till March, what you have to do, guys? You have to take the previous year, then concatenate with hyphen and present year, right? If it is greater than 4, that means it is greater than less than 3. Less than 4 means you have to take the previous year and present year. Okay. If it is greater than 4, you have to take present year and next year. Right, guys? I explained, right? Written logic and I'll show you, right? For 2000, for example, if you take the March, okay, March 2016 you have taken. That means less than 4. That means you have to take the previous year. What is the previous year? 2015, right? Hyphen 2016. Else, if it is greater than 4, that means if you take the April, May, June and all, if you take the April, then you have to take the present year, then hyphen next year. Okay, guys? Now see the output. So this is my fiscal year. For example, to understand better, let's go to March. Okay, our calendar month is March. Okay, if it is March is there, then you have to take this is 2016 year, right, guys? Understand this rule. Okay. So calendar month we are taken. Calendar month is 3, which is less than 4. So you have to take the year, previous year, 2015 and present year. Okay. If it is greater than 4, for example, take the row for, let's calm down. Take the row for 14, 4. Then what happens here? 4 is, it is okay, equal to 4 or greater than 4. We have to see the logic else condition in the if statement, right? So if it is a 4, then you have to take the present year I for next year. Okay. That is the logic, guys. So that is fiscal year. This is the logic. So these 3 formulas will be very useful in your practical scenarios where if somebody asks you to display the sales with respect to the fiscal year, then you have to do this. Okay. Fiscal month, fiscal quarter, and fiscal year. Okay. These 3 things are very important. Okay, guys. Very good. Then we'll go to the next topic, that is static and dynamic row level security. Okay. For that, this is my tables. Okay. Then go here. So what is row level security? Row level security is nothing but if you don't want to show all details to all persons, then you can apply the filters on your visuals and you can show that much only to the users depending on their email address. Okay. For example, I want this class 5 members are there, right? So 5 members are there. So 4 regions are there: East, West, Central, and South. I want to show only Western region to these 5 persons. Then I will create a filter Western region for filter for Western region, and then I will display that to only those 5 members by using their email address. That is static row level security. Okay. That means manually we have to supply the email addresses. Okay. Okay. Let me take the example and tell you. Let me take here one custard column chart. Okay. 1 second, guys. I'll close the door. Okay. So custom column chart. Take the region and sales. Okay. Take the region and sales. Not table, guys. Let me remove this. Region and sales. Okay, guys. These are my visual. This is my visual. So here I have to define the roles here now. So go to modeling tab. Okay. Then manage roles. Go to manage roles and display the roles. Define the roles here. So create a role, static row level security. I am defining a role. Okay. And go to orders. Then take a filter for region. So what value you want to give, guys? I want to give West here. So I want to show only Western region to the people, not any other regions. Okay. Right, guys. Then view as this role. You have created the role. Now view the role. Okay. So it will display only West. Okay. So this is my role. I have created a role and I want to display this role to only some email addresses. I don't want to show all regions. I want to show only Western region to some of the people. So how you do that? Before that, we have to publish it to the Power BI service. Okay. Publish the report. So we have to save it. So give some number. Okay. RLS. Today's date will give. Okay, guys. 16th December 2021. Okay. This is my report name. I am publishing it. Okay. On Power BI service. Okay. Select my workspace. Then open in Power BI service, guys. Yeah. So report is there here. Now we have to see our role. Where is our role? Go to my workspace. Okay. Then go to data sets. And where is my report? Just now I displayed, right? Where is our, yeah, this one. Okay. Then click on settings here. Go to security. Then whatever role you define, it will be displayed here. You define, right, this role in the Power BI desktop. That role will be displayed. So now you give the email address of the persons whom you want to show only Western region, means only that role. For which guy, for whom, which guys you want to apply static row level security, the role you define. So for example, my name is there. I'm giving my name and adding. So like that, you can add several email addresses so that they can see only Western region. Whatever you define in the role, that will be displayed for them. Okay. So that is called static row level security, guys. Okay.